Well, hello and welcome. This is Crewton Ramone's House of Math Module 3, and what you get with Module 3 is quite a bit of password-protected video, pages, information, PDFs, etc. This will be your landing page, or the page that you use to get into all these different pages. If you click these, generally, you're going to go directly to a password, where this is where you put your Module 3 password in. If you click here, you get the entry page, which is when you hit enter, you're going to get the same thing. And that'll take you into the password-protected subtraction page. But on every page, I try to add some tidbit or some piece of information for you to make it worth your while. Some pages have more than others. Some pages have video. For example, the concepts page. This used to be a free page, but now there's a video here that explains a few concepts to you. And all of these are on the other side. The Module 3 password is chock full of content. There are many, I mean, you get PDFs, right? You get the password protected PDFs page, which is very similar to the Module 1, except it doesn't have all 10 Series A manuals. Completing the square, there's percentages. This is a page that you'll see is very worth your time. Here's the free stuff, and you'll get to go inside and see how it is that these children were able to go so quickly without even seeing the problems. It was auditory. It was a verbal exam, basically. Sample lessons with Sarah is here. People were asking where this tab went. Well, the tab has been removed, and now it's part of Module 3. Also, the boys page is here. Raymond's page is here. Emma's page is here. All the pages that used to be on the sidebar here are now all condensed into Module 3. So if you were looking for some of your favorite pages, here they are. The site-wide password is now the Module 3 password, and when you see how many pages it gets you into, it's still basically a site-wide password, even though there is now 4 different modules. This site-wide password, or the Module 3 password, takes you into the most pages, because you can see, for example, if you go to the addition page, from here, any place that you click that needs a password, put your site-wide password in, or Module 3 password in, and you will be granted access instantaneously. This page makes understanding how to use add-ins and Mortensen math, or base 10 math, or multisensory math, or whatever you want to call it, Montessori method math, easy and understandable. Because the problem has been in the past that you got your blocks, but you didn't know how to use them. Building towers and having fun is definitely part of the program, but there's oh so much more to it than that. Here you can see we're learning our add-ins, and add-ins are crucially important. In fact, I have articles on the importance of add-ins. You can search and find that. But now, all of that is contained, all of that and a whole lot more is contained on the Module 3 page, and you can use this page to get to all these other pages, and they're more or less in order here, from concepts to addition, subtraction, so on, working your way down or up, depending on your diction and which side of the wall you're looking down from. But here in sample lessons, this page is full. I should actually take you on a tour of some of the things that are on the sample lessons page, but I'll leave that for here, right? Basic overview of what's on the other side. You can click this video and you can get a pretty good idea of what happens when you click enter. All right, that is Module 3. Use your Module 3 password. Get into all these different pages. Just take your time. Use your blocks. Take notes. It works a lot better. And I just had theory in practice in a testimonial where a child was using another program, but all they were doing is watching the videos. They didn't follow along, they didn't write anything, they just watched the videos. The only way to do math, or the only way to learn math, is to do math. So just watching the videos is not sufficient. You need to play along, take some notes, play some games, and have a good time. If you're thinking that you're just going to sit your child in front of the computer and have them watch videos and they're going to excel in mathematics, I think you need to think again. What you need to do is learn some of these games and activities and watch some of these videos and then play math with your kids and make sure that they're following along, because once they get their hands on it, oh, it becomes so simple. All right, Crewton Ramone's houseofmath.com is where you're at, and you can see lots more waiting for you. Click around on a few of these and see what's there. There's plenty of free information and priceless information available, and once you've digested quite a bit of that, maybe it will be time for you to move on to the password protected pages, and you can find out all about that password, or what you get with Passport and how much they cost and so forth on this page right here, which is of course the password info page. All right, Crewton Ramone's houseofmath.com for more.